In this video, I'll show you how to create a clan in PUBG Mobile. So to do this, you need to click on the arrow icon in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Then from here, click on the clan tab. From the right-hand side, click on Create Clan. And first things first, you need to give your clan a name. I'm just going to call mine Mayhem Makers and click on Done. Then you can also give your clan a motto or a tagline. Again, you can really write whatever you want in here. Then from the left-hand side, click on the region button. You'll see this edit icon next to it. From here, you can select the emblem or the insignia of your clan. You can also give this a name as well. If you want to change the color, you can also do that from here. Then select banner just below. And from here, you can select your country flag. And then finally, you'll need to select your clan tag. As you can see, this can be changed once every 7 days. So you can choose between a classic clan, a casual clan, RP clan, or a balanced clan. I'm just going to select casual clan. And once you're finished, you can just press on the cost button at the bottom. As you can see, you will need 50,000 BP in order to do this. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create a clan in PUBG Mobile. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.